In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Todoist with Notion using Zapier or Make.com, allowing you to keep your tasks and notes harmonized across both platforms. This process will not only help you stay organized, but also save valuable time by automating the flow of information between your favorite task manager and your go-to note-taking app. Let's dive right in, starting with logging into both your Todoist and Notion accounts. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're already logged in, perfect. If not, take a moment to enter your details and make sure you can access your dashboards for both applications. Once you're comfortably logged in, it's time to head over to Zapier or Make.com, whichever platform you prefer for automation. Today we'll be going over how to use these smart tools to link Todoist tasks with Notion databases. These platforms work like magic, allowing multiple applications to communicate effortlessly with each other without any manual intervention on your part. The first crucial step is to authenticate both your Todoist and Notion accounts on your chosen automation service. This is where you grant permission for Zapier or Make.com to access certain parts of your accounts, enabling them to perform the necessary actions on your behalf. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize both services. This usually involves a few clicks, but is absolutely essential for setting up the integration. With your accounts now connected, it's time to choose what kind of trigger you want to set up within Todoist. You have a variety of options here, such as when a new task is created or when an existing task is completed. This trigger acts as the starting point for your automation, signaling the system to carry out the next set of actions. Once you've selected your trigger, the next step involves mapping the task properties. Here, you'll want to define how information like the task name, due date, and priority should be handled and transferred into Notion. Think of this step as creating a blueprint that tells the automation tool exactly how to interpret and distribute the data between your Todoist and Notion. After everything is mapped out, it's essential to test the connection. A quick test run will ensure that all the components are communicating correctly and that the data is transferring seamlessly between the two platforms. If everything checks out, you can move on to enabling the automation. By doing so, you're activating the system to work continuously in the background, keeping your Todoist and Notion synchronized. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an integration between Todoist and Notion, enhancing your productivity and organization. You can always revisit these settings to adjust triggers or mappings to better fit your workflow as needed. Happy organizing, and we'll see you in the next video.